Good morning, everyone. Online students, can you hear me? Yeah. Yesterday, we were discussing about Java 5 new features, right? What are the two new features added with respect to method overloading, auto boxing, and where? Remember or forgot? All people are looking at me strange. Hey, yesterday we discussed Java 5 new features with respect to method overloading. When we call a method, compiler first searching for given argument type parameter method, not available, searching for widening. That is also not available, searching for auto boxing. Not available, searching for where. In where again, two parts. Same type where and auto boxing where. Same type where and auto boxing where. Okay, I will run one small program on this. Let's see what you understood yesterday. First, I want you to write notes of the diagram. Then I will give you the program. So sorry, I was very busy with some personal works. That's why I'm unable to upload material. Hope everyone remember what you learned, right? Okay. So today definitely I will find a free time and upload. Remember, already I told you, this week I'm going to take 1 week holidays. Okay, so I'm in little confusion, go or not go. Lot of things going on. Where you are in overriding, overload. So because I have to adjust the classes and everything, that's why in free time I am using my time for that scheduling purpose. Yesterday, have you written this diagram? This one? Yes, sir. Widening diagram written, na? Right. Right on? In Java 5 version, in Java 5 version, in Java 5 version, in searching, in method searching, in Java 5 version, in a method searching, two additional features, auto boxing, and where auto boxing and where are added. Where whatever, where are already spelling that in front of where are added, or are added. Repeat again, please statement. In Java 5 version, in a method searching, two new features are added. Two new features, auto boxing and where are added. Full stop. Write down the searching algorithm as shown below. As shown below. Here you write M1 of 5. You write here method call M1 of 5. For M1 of 5, searching start from where? Int, then long, float, double. Not available, then integer, not available, then number, not available, object. Write on the diagram as it is. Where? 1 second. This complete diagram down, space also there, na? In that space also one more is coming. Where are? So complete one page you have to occupy. Don't write, if last 2-3 lines are there, move to next page. It takes minimum half page. Or else let me show you complete. This is the complete diagram, okay? This is the complete diagram. M1 of 5. M1 of 5 semicolon method call. For method call, searching parameters. First same type, not available. Widening, not available. Auto boxing, not available. Auto boxing widening, not available. Vararg, same type vararg, not available. Same type widening vararg, not available. Auto boxing vararg. Completed arrow marks written. Here multiple arrow marks are there. So what you do here? If you have different color, okay. Otherwise, write like this zigzag. You have to differentiate yourself. All classes, byte to double are the subclasses of number. Character, boolean are not subclasses of number, they are the subclasses of object. If object is also not available, it will come to where are. Here you write auto boxing AB. And here you write VA, where are. Completed? Now this is more clear diagram. Can I write this? M1 of arg going to same type. What is the same type? Int. Next widening. If not available, arrow mark to auto boxing integer. Not available, number. If not available, same type where arg widening. Not available, auto boxing where arg widening. Or auto boxing widening where arg. You can write W this side. Same type widening where arg or where arg widening, both are same, no problem. Listen, here I have written arrow mark here. Observe. Very, very important. I didn't give the line from here to here. Understood? Where args are having same priority. Where args are having same priority. For example, same type widening, same type auto boxing, same type auto boxing widening. These four options are not available. Same type of widening to auto boxing widening. These four options available. Then leads to compile time error, ambiguous error. Okay, na? Compiler throw error, ambiguous error. Okay. What is the ambiguous error? Compiler unable to take decision. Which of these four has to choose? So, if you find combination of all these four, then you have to choose ambiguous error. I'll show practically, programmatically in the system. First, you write this. This arrow marks important. Completed? Okay, now tell me. Just apply your this diagram here. If I completed, everyone, online students. Now look at there. M1 of 5. Two cases I will ask. M1 of 5 means first searching for int, not available long, float double. integer, number, object. If both are available, if these first two not available, next where are two available, then compiler throw ambiguous error. Now you yourself tell me M1 of single quote A is the method call is given to you. Now you should find what is the right method executed for among the overloaded methods. Then first what you have to search for? Char. Not available? Ever widening. Who is the char widening? Integer. Not available? Int widening. If you forgot, look into notes, no problem. Int widening. Long. Float. Double. Not available. Number before. Integer. Don't use your brain, use notes. What is the char widening? Sorry, char auto boxing is what? Integer. Notes, look into notes. Notes hai na? Char auto boxing what? रे दिमाग है नहीं है? दिमाग है नहीं है? कैरेक्टर का वाइडिंग कौन है? नंबर है. That's what I'm saying. Don't use your brain, Rabab. Given notes, follow, Rabab. Character, boolean, not subclasses of number. They are the subclasses of. What is the argument I given? Inta, char. Char auto boxing is integer. What is auto boxing? Character. Okay, na? Byte auto boxing. Byte. Short auto boxing. Int. Long. Float. Double. Cap. Boolean. String. String, no auto boxing. Okay. Tell me, what is the widening of byte? Widening of byte. Number. Short. Integer. Long. Float double. Character. Boolean. String. String number. Object, not number. Okay. But happened. M1 of single quote A, searching for. Not available. What are widening? Who is that widening fellow? Char widening is. I am not asking character widening. Char widening. Char is different, character is different. Don't confuse. Single quote A is a character, char. Char widening. Int, not object. Are mal object ke liye bhaiya? Again, char widening. Don't say int, tell all. Int. That's the right answer. Okay. I repeat again. When I call M1 of single quote A, what is the same type? Char. Not available, then widening. Int, long, float, double. Not available. Who is auto boxing, ra? Auto boxing character. Not available. Who is that who is the object? Auto boxing widening object. Full answer. Don't say half of. Mala first nunchi. Again beginning. Same type char. Same type char. Not available. Widening. Tell widening. Widening in long, float, double. Not available. Auto boxing character. Not available. Auto boxing widening object. Not available. Compile terminal. same type where are care, same type where are care. Next, same type of widening where are what? Int long float double not available. Same type auto boxing character not available. Same type auto boxing widening object that is also not available. Compile time error. रे कहाँ देख रहा है रे उधर देखो रहा. Okay na, M1 of care not available widening, not available auto boxing not available widening, not available where are, not available where are widening, not available auto boxing, not available widening, where are not available compile timer. If both available, confusion. Understand? Really? ఈ రెండు ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాయాలి ఇప్పుడు మీకై మీరు రాయండి దీని ఫస్ట్ M1 of 5 రైట్. For example, identify method searching order for M1 of 5. Method searching order for M1 of 5. ఓన్గా రాయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. Try to write by your own. Method searching order for M1 of 5. This is very, very important. If you don't try this topic to remember, you will fail in interview. Understand, remember, by heart, remember, whichever the way you follow. But you should remember there is no option. By heart, remember, understand, remember, your wish. Don't try to look at the diagram and write. Try to write by your own first. If your brain not giving answer, then look at the charge. First, you try to write. Ask yourself. If you are unable to recollect, then look at the board. Same type widening. Same type auto boxing widening. Same type where arc widening. Same type auto boxing where arc widening. Repeat that algorithm. Completed? Right. Identifying order. Identify method calling order. Sorry. Method searching order. Not calling. Sorry. Method searching order for below method call. Identify method searching order for the below method call. By taking reference to the above diagram, write on this by your own. M1 of single quote A. M1 of single quote A. అందరు ట్రై చేయాలి. నాకు ఈ సంబంధం లేని కూర్చోవద్దు, ఇది మీకోసమే. మీరు జాబ్ పాస్ అవ్వాలంటే ఇది నేర్చుకోవాల్సిందే. ఏ मेरे के नहीं है तुम्हारे के लिए. सही है ना? वो इंटरव्यू को बहुत जरूरी है. सीखना ही तो इंटरव्यू में क्या होता, खराब होता. फेल फेल क्या बोलते हिंदी में? असफल. असफल. फल 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 उच्च फल खराब फल होता. हिंदी बहुत कष्ट है. Seriously, I'm telling sir, if you don't learn this topic, if you feel it is difficult, I don't learn, you join for learning. There is no point of difficult and easy. Only one thing, learn. Ante, there is no other option. A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB, by heart. That is a formula. You have to by heart formula, apply. Same, there is no other option here. నేర్చుకున్నావా, గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నావా, జాబ్ తెచ్చుకున్నావా అంతే. You know, after you got the job, all these nonsense not required to remember. Do you know the secret? Again, when you are changing from this company to another company, then again you require. Until then, not required. So until you got the job, you have to struggle. No other option. Have you completed this first flow? देखो इधर. M1 of care, M1 of in, M1 of long, M1 of float, M1 of double. Next, where? From the double arrow mark. From the character to down, M1 of object. M1 of object to arrow mark. Character where arga, char where arga. रासेवा? Did you write? क्यों? Why didn't write, man? What is the problem? Understood or not understood? आधा बोले तो थोड़ा थोड़ा. Half you understood. Remaining half when you understand. Half understood, no? At least half you have to write, na? If half you write, next half you will understand automatically. If you ignore, how can you get job here? You are not here for writing notes. You are here for practicing. You must change your attitude. Next, int where arg, long where arg, float where arg, double where arg. Next, tell me, character where arg will come from double where arg object. Object. Have written same. From the object, char where arg, object where arg. If that is also not available, cannot find symbol. First 4 options not available, next 4 options available, ambiguous error. प्लेट में खाना है, इधर देखो, प्लेट में खाना है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली कम टू योर माउथ, मस्ट यूज योर हैंड. सेम हियर आल्सो. दिमाग में, बोर्ड में क्या है, खाना है, किसके लिए, स्टमक का के लिए, ब्रेन का के लिए, ब्रेन के लिए. ब्रेन को खाना देने को हाथ यूज करना पड़ता है, नहीं तो वो बोर्ड में है, बोर्ड में भी है, तुम्हारे दिमाग में नहीं आता. हिंदी आता, मैं हिंदी तुमको आता, अच्छा है. ఏం చెప్పిన అర్థమైందా తెలుగు పీపుల్? కంచంలో అన్నం ఉంది, దాన్ని చూస్తుంటే రాదు, నువ్వు తినడానికి చెయ్యి వాడాలి. ఇది కూడా అంతే, సబ్జెక్ట్ కూడా అంతే. బోర్డు మీద ఉన్న బోన్ తినాలి అంటే చేతిని వాడాల్సిందే. అలాగా నాకు చూస్తూ నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు జీవితంలో రాదు అది. ఏదో ట్రై చేస్తూ కూర్చోవాలి, అలా సైలెంట్గా ఉండకూడదు, నాకు సంబంధం లేదని. లెట్ us try practically in the system. Already yesterday I told you, no, this is a blood tears concept, horrible topic, already told you. See backside, how many empty chairs? Why those many empty chairs? Because reason number 1, TV off. I asked them to look at the screen. Reason number 2, daily I am going backside checking their notes is writing or not writing. Number 3, when they are not responding, I am shouting at them. That's why everybody shifted to online or stop coming to class. Wonderful decision, no? Best decision. నాకు కూడా అదే కావాలి. I also expecting the same. You come to the class, then compulsory should learn. Look at here. The complete algorithm for searching for a method definition. Same type widening, same type auto boxing widening, same type where, same type widening where, same type auto boxing widening where, not available, compile time error, all 4 available, ambiguous error. If we don't have same type or widening or auto boxing widening, all 4 combination, if we have only where are auto boxing where are combination, compiler will throw ambiguous error. Either dekho, I have created a program with these many methods. The all combinations I created. First, what is this? Same type. What is this? Same type widening. This is what? Auto boxing. Is this auto boxing widening? ఎంతసేపు ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారా? Is it auto boxing widening? Long auto boxing widening. Who is integer superclass? Who is integer superclass? Then why are you saying long is the auto boxing widening? Again you come back to 0. Again I should push up again. Again you fall down. యాడ దొరికారా ఈ సంత అంతా? మళ్ళీ చదువుకోండి. ఓపెన్ డయాగ్రామ్. ఫస్ట్ డయాగ్రామ్. ఫస్ట్ డయాగ్రామ్. Integer to where is arrow mark? Who is the widening of wrapper classes? Wide, short, integer, long, float, double, character, boolean. All these 8 classes are called wrapper classes. Okay, na? Who is the superclass of wrapper classes? Number. To all 8 classes of first 6 classes is long, superclass of integer. Then is long, widening of integer. Who is the widening of integer? Who is the widening of character? Who is the widening of boolean? Is this long, widening of integer? What is this long? Integer to long, what is the relation? Auto boxing. Integer to long, what is the relation? No relation. So they are siblings. నేను రాశారు కదరా డయాగ్రామ్, మర్చిపోయి వచ్చారు, చదవలేదా? Didn't study yesterday? Again repeating. What is the relation between integer and long? No relation. What relation? So they are. What is the relation between integer and number? What is the relation between long and number? What is the relation between integer, number, object? Superclass and subclasses. If integer is not found, then which one executed, long or number? Not, because it is not widening. Because it is not. Context based answer you have to give. Because it is not widening, it is not superclass. Okay. Tell me, M1 of 5. When I give M1 of 5, compiler searching for int parameter method. Either mil gaya? Hi. Compiler confused, only int parameter method executed. Only int parameter method executed and came out. Matched, executed. Output int param. Okay na? అమ్మాయిలు అర్థమైందా? ఆల్ గర్ల్స్? If I comment int param means same type parameter method is not available, then widening. How many widenings available? I am asking how many number you have to tell. How many? 3. Among them which one executed? Why? అది చెప్పాలరా గాడిద. బాలయ్యబాబు డైలాగ్. Nearest widening long is executed. అరే like all students you are all saying long. And any job ఎలా వస్తుందిరా? How will you get the job? You have to show some uniqueness. Full knowledge you have to express in the interview. Vocabulary, terminology is important. Same type not found. Then nearest widening long is executed. Terminology ra, use ra. Compile, execute. If long parameter type method is also not available. Not long available. Long available. Long ఎక్కడ పోయింది? ఉంది. Long type parameter method is also not available. Then next widening, nearest widening long. Next widening float is executed. Okay na? Next widening parameter float is executed. Control 1, control 2. What is the output? Float parameter. Okay. Float parameter method is also not available then final widening. That is not nearest. Then final widening double is executed. మీరు ఏంట్రా ఏంటో సార్ యు ఆర్ కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫైనల్ వైడనింగ్ డబుల్ ఈజ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్. ఎక్కడ పోయా రా. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ చెప్పు. Widening is also not available. Then search for auto boxing integer. Auto boxing దొరకకుండా widening ఎందుకు వెళ్ళిదిరా? Without auto boxing, why it will go to widening? Then search for auto boxing integer. मिल गया. तो integer parameter method is executed. Next, if auto boxing is not available, then search for auto boxing widening number. But इधर long है. Long is not widening, so it is not executed. Number is okay ना? समझ में आया? थोड़ा थोड़ा पूरा. Next, it is also not available, then auto boxing widening executed. Widening object is executed. Okay. Now problem starts. If auto boxing widening is also not available, all four combinations not available, search for where are. When where are available, is it directly executed or confused? Confused. Between same type where are combination and auto boxing combination. If same type auto boxing both are available, then compiler throw ambiguous error. Compiler throw ambiguous error. And tell me, same type and its widening available, also auto boxing available, then compiler throw ambiguous error. Reference to M1 is ambiguous because M1 of double where are, M1 of integer where are match. Sir, why compiler software not giving preference between where are? I don't know. Call to James Cosley. Why they didn't implement this properly, like with the priority? I didn't find the answer. And if you find anywhere, you can let me know. So what to do? I should make sure either same type where are combination or auto boxing combination. We have to make sure. Now I am taking same time where are. Is there any confusion here? No. Now first checking for same type available. Then same type is executed. Same type where are is executed. Malati boyo. Int where are. Now if same time where arg is not available, same type where arg widening is searching. Same type where arg long where arg is there, long where arg execute. Next, float. Next, okay na? Then if same type where arg combination not available, then auto boxing. In auto boxing, which one? Same auto boxing where arg. Same type auto boxing where arg. Integer. Next, longer number. Number. Number not there. Object is also not available. Cannot find symbol, method, M1 of int. Okay. What did I teach you? How to drive a car. Okay, na? How to drive a car. Then can you drive? Abacha? Car, when you start the car and change the gear, dig going. And engine stopped. Meanwhile, you'll go and hit somebody. Margaya. Understood? Tell me, just by listening car driving, can you drive the car? Just now you listen the car driving. Now the car driving balancing you have to get to your hands and brain by listening or by practicing. Where? Where? Not system ra, notes ra. System bonda. In system you will get nothing. System will give you output. It will not tell you why this output. First you have to get this program, this algorithm into your brain and asking system, my algorithm right or wrong? Tell me. You have to do experiments on system. Understand? First you have to remember in your brain. So after going to home, you have to repeat the diagram again. I explained two algorithms. What is that? With int, with char. Now you try with boolean. You try with float. You try with long. You draw that algorithm. Then go to the system for writing program. And with different combination you try. So that you will come to know, okay, these are the different combination. Then ready for the race. Where is the race? Interview room. Your interview room is the race. Without preparing properly, without practicing properly, if you go to war, then Kalkeya will kill you. Trisula Vyuham. Prepare one Vyuham to attack the interviewer. Interviewer is your Kalkeya, okay? He is ready to kill you. And tell me, what is the output of this program? Int float? Float int? Int float to float int. Next. Discuss చేయొద్దు. మీకే మీరు చెప్పాలి. ఇంటర్లో ఎవరు ఉంటారు మీ పక్కన? ఎవరు ఉండరు. నీకే నువ్వు ఆలోచించగలవు. సెల్ఫ్ థింకింగ్. టెల్ ద ఆన్సర్. డోంట్ డిస్కస్. మీరు డిస్కస్ చేసుకోవడం అలవాటు చేసుకుంటే ఇంటర్వ్యూలో మీ ఫ్రెండ్ లేకుండా పని చేయలేరు. యు ఫీల్ మిస్సింగ్. చెప్పాలి. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ M1 of 5, 6? Int float. For this method called int float. Float int. Error. Kyom? Listen. Everyone listen. Very, very important life question. Okay? You are studying very well as I explaining, practicing wonderfully. Then when you go to interview, pakka appointment letter na? Pakka, I guarantee 100% I'll guarantee. If you practice the terminology, what I am telling in the class, the sentences, what I am telling in the class, the programs, what I am telling in the class, if you practice as it is, if you speak in the interview as it is, 100% I guarantee you will get the job. You attend interview and failed means you didn't follow me. And the simple clue. Name chippina notes. There is no single question come in the interview out of my syllabus. It's a challenge. Single question also will not come out. Okay? MNC companies I am not targeting because I never encourage MNC companies. If you join in MNC companies, your life will be garbage, dustbin. Deni panigiravu. Okay, you will be useful for nothing in MNC company if you got the job as a fresher. The reason, number one, unfortunately, if you got the job in MNC, they will put you on the bench for 2 years. For 1 year, let's say, minimum 1 year, they will put you on the bench, will not assign any work. Second, unfortunately, if they give you work, they will give you a networking side or a data entry operator. Okay, now this kind of job they will give, or testing they will give. Testing, data entry, networking. They will not give you development. Development time, by the time you come to the development, you will complete 3 years of experience. The other student who got the job in small and medium scale company, first day itself they will work in the development. By the time small and medium scale company got the job, the candidate who got job in small and medium scale company, after 3 years, he will come out of that company as a team lead. And you still junior developer. Where? In MNC. On paper MNC, but experience wise, 0. You are a junior developer still. Now, the same, your classmate who got job in small and medium scale company, he will come to MNC company, to your company as a team lead. He will be your team lead. Understood? I'm not discouraging, but I'm telling the truth. Many students come and ask me, sir, what I should do to get the job in TCS? I used to say, don't do anything. As I don't encourage MNC company. Second problem with MNC, they will give you offer letter, but they don't give you joining letter. They will hold for 1 year or 2 years. It is a business. Your college will call MNC companies only for the namesake conducted. We conducted interview. These many people are got placed. Offer letter only they will issue. You selected. Then when my job will come? When it will come? Nobody knows. If you go and ask your company, or college management will say, that's not my problem. Yeah, offer letter came on, ante. So there is a money deals between the company HR and your college HOD. That's the open secret. Now, what is my point telling? If you attend small and medium scale company with my knowledge, 100% you will get the job and interview will be fully satisfied. Only provided if you don't practice properly with the way I am explaining, you will fail. Listen, assuming all people are sincerely following me, practicing, got the job, with my knowledge, your salary will be minimum 3 lakhs and maximum 5 lakhs. I don't expect more than that because you are a fresher. Then you are extraordinary, then 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs. And you are too much practiced and too much high skill, full stack, data structures, any question asking, you are designing the code, system design also, you know, then 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Okay. Then with this salary, every month you are getting good amount of money. First year completed. You've already shown your talent in the company. Then first year you will get a hike. 100% I can guarantee 100% hike you will get. Okay, 3 lakh, 6 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh. 100% hike pakka you will get. No doubt in that. That is the power of small scale and medium scale companies. They are ready to give you a job if you are a good skilled person. Then second year also completed. Can you come out of the company any year, 1 year or second year? No, because already gave bond, you cannot go anywhere. That is the another advantage with a small medium scale company. The pressure you have to hold because bond is there, certificates they will take, you cannot go anywhere. Then second year by the time completed, you will come to a stage of team lead. Why? Before joining the company only you have full knowledge. After joining the company, you understand company formalities, company procedures. Also, you understand how to divide the teamwork, how to gather the teamwork, everything. Means you got full knowledge on company team management also. Then now you are going to get what? 2 years of experience means you come to a team lead position with the package of pakka. Again, one more time, double hike will come. If you are upskilling in this 2 year, whatever the basic knowledge you got here, it's not sufficient. You should upskill your knowledge by doing certificates. AWS certificate, DevOps DevOps certificate, Spring Boot certificate, Core Java certificate. Every year, next year appraisal form when you are getting to you, you have to upload. Okay, this year these are the certificates I did. Why I should give you salary? What is improvement in you? Last year because of improvement already given a double hike. Then this year what is the improvement in you? Your skills. What extra skills you acquired? Are you following? This is the question company will ask. So every year you have to learn something, you have to upskill your knowledge, and then the upskill related certificates also you have to do and upload them. Then you will get what? Double hike. Then what is your salary? 12 lakh to 20 lakh. Hey, did you see? First initial salary is very, very, very important. Based on your initial salary only, next compounding will happen. Double compounding is very important. Then 2 years completed. Now, if 2 years bond completed, then search for another company to jump. Why? Already you got the hike. It's the time you want to increase your salary. Then search for the another company. If the nowadays small and medium scale companies are taking 3 years bond, not 2 years bond, 3 years bond they're asking because you are very much talented, na? That's why 3 years bond they are taking. If 3 years bond is there, stay with the company 3 years. After 3 years completed, you will come to team lead position only, but some more extra designation will come. Senior team leader, senior software engineer, some designation will change. But this time, double hike they will not give. Minimum 50% you have to get. 50 means 12 plus 18, 18 lakh, and here 30 lakh. Okay, 50% only they can give. After hike came, bond completed, compulsory try for changing this company to another company. When you are moving to another company, now you can show your talent here. You can demand for the salary negotiation. You can do. Okay, na 70% you can ask, no problem. Okay, na right? Then tell me, by 3 years to 4 years completed, what is your salary? Almost you got to 45 lakhs. Chala marriage chesukodange. Is 45 lakh salary per annum, is it sufficient to get marriage? Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now is the time you have to go for marriage. How many types of marriages we have? Marriage and types of marriages. Okay, na? Java syllabus only, ra? Data types of data types, variable types of variables, like that. Marriage and types of marriage. There are 2 types of marriage. First priority to love marriage. Listen, very important. Girls, very important. Listen. Arey boys, please listen, Ray, very important, Ray. Second one is arranged marriage. Boys, especially to you, listen. To you all important, listen. Love marriage, there are some, people are having some fantasy about, passion about love marriage. Okay, good. If you fall in love in Amirpet, okay, na? Your salary, your life is 0. And you will come to a stage to commit suicide. Okay, na? So, if you have already lover, okay, can't say anything. If you don't have a lover, and if you are planning for lover, please postpone. Postpone, okay? And next, girls, if anybody coming and propose to you, don't say worst fellow, no, okay? Now, with a smile, accept and say, currently I am busy with my studies. Wait, after I got the job, maybe I'll think. Okay, na? Because you are, at least there is somebody that, liking you, right? That's why don't reject, because if you reject, he may commit suicide. Na? That's the reason. Accept it, but say them, hold, because I am busy with my studies. After that, I will check it out. So, I don't 100% recommend to fall in love while you are in education, studying. Next, I will support love marriage only after you got job. There are 2 advantages. Advantage number 1, 100% you will get marriage with that lover, because already you settled. You can go and talk to that girl's parents saying that, heck, I have a job already, this much I'm earning, then what is your problem? You can fight. If the parents are not getting, accepting for marriage, you can jump on marriage. Understand my point? Listen, first advantage is definitely you'll get marriage, so that in the heart, in the brain, with you, same person is there. No disturbance in the life. Okay? If you fall in love in the studying time, education time, problem number one, 100% you will not get married with that person. Second, in your heart and brain, one person is there, and if in staying with another person, lifelong disturbance. Because you started comparing how that lover, how this wife or husband, comparison will start. Completely disturbance. That's why love marriage, fall in love at education time is bad approach. Second advantage after getting married, after getting a job, if you fall in love, 2 salaries. Na? Yes or no? You fall in love with your co-employee, maybe in your company, already job is there, na? So into your life, 2 salaries are coming. Asal, that is wonderful life. Your 45 lakhs per annum, your wife, maybe some more than you are getting salary, maybe, because generally girls are more intelligent than you. Hey, come on, accept, it's true, okay? Maybe 50 lakhs or something extra. See, per year, you are almost getting 1 crore into your house. Wonderful. Yes or no? That's why love marriage is good. When only after getting job. Listen, very important, boys, for you now. If you don't fall in love, if you are go for arranged marriage, there is another advantage. First, pakka marriage. Second, 2 salaries. Third, gift. Yes or no? Hey, don't say dowry. Dowry, what is nowadays not there, okay? Gift. Tell me, this is arranged marriage advantage. Okay, na? Okay. So finally, types of marriages understood. Which marriage is good? Okay. Love marriage. Love marriage, listen, there is no ambiguous error. Why? Because you are fall in love with one person and continue the life with that one person. No ambiguous error. Life happily going on. Arranged marriage. Ambiguous error is there. Why? Now tell me, now after 45 lakhs coming, then one day you went to your parents and say, daddy, now it's the time for marriage. Then your parents look at, Sabash beta, okay? Now your father approached many marriage bureau centers and collected 100 photographs. Can you marry all 400? Not possible, okay? Then one fine day, a Saturday, Sunday holiday time, you made 50-50, and next Saturday, Sunday, finally you are choosing one. Definitely there is a confusion between 2 photos. Okay, na this person. Now, generally, you people decide the people based on handsome and beauty. Look handsome, look beautiful, then you will choose. But parents never see handsome and beautiful. They will see background, financial status. Okay, na family status. Because your parents know that beauty, handsome available only for few years. Up to maybe maximum 35 to 40 years. After that, hair gone. Okay, na? Lot of problems will come. Your handsome beauty gone. That's why parents always go for what? Your family status and financial status. Then tell me, finally you come to the stage what? Daddy, any of these 2 people, okay. Then your parents will start searching for family status, financial status. Okay, boys at gift status. Okay, na? All these things fine, and then take the decision. Okay, na? Sir, why you are saying all these things? 1 minute. There is another problem in the love marriage, big problem in love marriage. Once you fall in love and marriage, both side parents are eagerly waiting when you will fight each other. Okay, na? Then they will say, I told you no, before marriage only. Okay. They will not support you. They will always say, when you will fight and separate. Okay. In arranged marriage, who made this marriage? Parents. When you fight, they will come with one statement. Why don't you adjust? Me and your father adjusting, no? Without adjustment, there is no marriage. Okay. So parents will come and make you compromise. Here, when you are fighting, there is no compromise. Parents are waiting. Divorce. We will go for another marriage. Okay. I am telling you, listen. In every family, there is a fighting. Pakka fighting will be there. When someone got angry, other person should be silent. Your mouth should not open. Even though you are right, should be silent. You also get a situation. Every dog has a day. That day will say, that day you shouted, but I told you, no? Okay. If you want, see, marriage means adjustment. Either love marriage or arranged marriage. Adjustment. And always make sure, remember, this is very, very important than Java. Never ever criticize for joke wise also. Always you should respect and should only love. Respect and love only the base for, object-oriented programming. What are the building blocks? Class and object. Functional programming building blocks are what? Functional interface and lambda expression. Similarly, marriage building blocks are only two: respect and love. Never criticize your life partner in front of others, even at your parents also. And in you yourself also, when you are talking each other, you are waste fellow. Many times I told you, never say that. No one is waste. Every person is having their own unique capabilities. So when someone got angry because of some reason, because you are living together, definitely some reason you'll get angry. Other person should be silent. Let them scold, and later you leave from there, stay in one room, separate room. After anger completed, come back. Are you following? This adjustment is very, very important. Next, last point, okay? If you fall in love marriage, remember, girls especially to you, boys will stop giving importance to you. When love marriage, before marriage, boys will call you, say, I love you, I miss you. Okay, na? So many extra things they will do. But after marriage, their focus will be changed to settlement, life settlement. Earning more money, how best life can give. So this kind of mindset will be changed. So that time, the problems will start. That's why, boys, my manager, first day when I joined in the college, office, company, first day, he told, Arey, don't link professional life with personal life. Okay, na? 9 to 6, no personal life. Before 9, after 6, no professional life. Don't carry your family problems into company. The moment you step into a company, everything you should leave there, step out, step in. When you are step out from the company, whatever you left your family problems, carry and go to home. Family problems don't bring into professional life. Professional problems don't bring into family life. Once you step out of the company, switch off the mobile. Are you following? Maintain 2 mobiles. One, professional mobile number and family mobile number. 2 mobiles you have to maintain. This is what my manager told. Strictly, I implemented it. Okay, na? And next, I'm telling my secret. When my wife got angry, I'll silent. I don't talk anything. I don't say anything. And I never ever criticize her. That is what my secret. Okay? And maximum I will help her. Okay, whatever the things. And whenever she found what I am doing is not good, I will never do that again. For example, I am cutting the vegetables. If she say, hey, what is that way of cutting? I never touch it again. I don't do. Sometimes she say, hey, why you are not cutting vegetables? Yeah, you do it. I don't say, you said no that day. Remember, when somebody saying that you are not this particular work you are not doing good, next time don't say you only told. This I learned from my CEO. One day, when a problem is coming, I am pointing the person who did this mistake. Then he replied, Hari, Hari, next time don't say who did this mistake. Only tell what is the problem, what is the solution. That's all. Don't point the person who did that mistake, then it will be a problem. So, initially I tried to cut the vegetables. She said, this is the wrong way of doing. Okay. Then I never do it now. When sometimes when movies or something is going on, she point, look, he is helping the wife. You are not helping. I will silent. I don't say anything. Because I'm going there and creating problem, double problem creating to her. Okay, na? That's what mindset is very, very important. Okay, na? Hope you understand marriage. Now tell me, this is the marriage. From this method call, all these things came. What is that? In a marriage, you have two photos. You are unable to take decision which one to choose. Then you are giving the option to whom now? Parents. Parents will decide what to do. You are asking compiler. Hey, compiler, go and search for int parameter method. Exact matched parameter method is available or not available? Not available. Then this is exact match and this is widening match. When widening match is there, is a compiler decided and executed? No. It is searching for better marriage. Sorry, better match. 100 photos are given. Now in this 100, then you started eliminating for best, eliminating, and finally you come to 2 photos. Similarly, same type and widening. This widening may be nearest widening, better matching may be there. Then control come down. Then again it is searching for what? Widening, and then what? Same type. Tell me, these two widening, which is the better match? Cannot decide. Then compiler throwing error, ambiguous error. Then how can we solve this ambiguous error? You should tell to compiler, either consider f as a float or consider 6 as a, either 5 as a float or 6 as a float. If you say like this, then compiler will not have any ambiguous error. Are you catching my point? Tell me, here confusion is between these two types. 2 photographs, compiler got confusion. Then asking the parent, parent, I cannot decide whom to choose. You decide. Then your parent is applying what? The extra type. What is the extra type applying here? Financial status and the family status and the dowry status. All consider and finally choosing one. So this is the most important method of overloading. 2 types of method of overloading. Okay. What is that? Love marriage overloading, arranged marriage overload. Marriage, one operation. 2 parameters, love, arranged. Okay. So you decide which one you want. Okay. And finally, right choice, you do that so that life will be happy. Tell me, what is the case number 4? Case number 3, completed. Tell me, case number 1, what? Same type argument. Same type argument. Second one is what? Widening argument. Third one is what? Auto boxing or Vararg parameter. Now fourth one is what? Ambiguous error. If the given argument is matched with widening parameter in different order, given argument is matched with widening parameter in different order, then we will get what? Ambiguous error. Is it clear? Now again, every case of method of overloading we have to understand with primitive data type and with what? Referenced data type. So now with the primitive data type we understood. Let's go with reference data type. Ready? Now I am giving M1 with example. Yesterday program only. M1 with a sample. Okay. Now I am calling M1 by passing new sample object. Tell me, which parameter method executed or any ambiguous error? Pumpichin argument sample type here. Tell me, sample object can be stored in example parameter or not? No, no. Why? Example is superclass. Superclass can receive subclass, na? Also sample can receive to sample, same type. Yes or no? Then tell me, here is there any ambiguous error or compile? Ambiguous error or no ambiguous error? No ambiguous error. Listen. Your father and you are going on the road. You handing your father hand and going. Okay? One person is coming opposite. Okay? It is his birthday. Chocolates distributing on the road and going. Now tell me. Finally, only one chocolate is there with him. Now this chocolate will give to father or child? Child. Father? No, child. First priority is always to what? Child. And tell me, sample is a chocolate. Now the chocolate is coming on the road. Found parent and child. Tell me, first priority to? Then which parameter method executed? Child parameter method is executed. When you pass object as an argument, if found overloaded methods of parent and child type, which parameter method executed? Child type. Next question I'm asking, show your talent. M1 of, can I pass null as an argument? Na? And tell me, which parameter method executed? Sample. Enduku? Why? Kyum? Then girls, example, why? Me answer it next. Null పంపిస్తే ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఏ పారామీటర్ మీద ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది? ఎగ్జాంపుల్, శాంపుల్. ఎందుకు? నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. ఎగ్జాంపుల్. నెక్స్ట్. హలో, ఎగ్జాంపుల్. అక్కడ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఎక్కడ లేదుగా. उधर ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है ना, ओनली टू ऑप्शंस हैं, एग्जांपल सैंपल. व्हिच वन एग्जीक्यूटेड? एग्जांपल. व्हाई? null is there? Default. So why example? Why not sample? Example is super class, that's why example executed. You and your father going on the road. Okay? Your friend is bringing one chocolate. To whom your friend will give? Who are you? Child or parent? Who is child there? Who is parent? Who is chocolate? Then kisko deta? Why you guys are not considering what I am explaining? Why are you using your brain? Hey boys, worst fellows, I am explaining. Why you are talking each other? Oh, your friend is intelligent. Your friend is more worse than you. That's what I am saying. Don't discuss with your friends. Sannasi raskonte boodi ralidanta. Two worst fellows are talking each other. Finally, what is come out? Garbage will come out. That's what I am saying. Discuss you yourself, not with your friends. Daily same statement I am saying. If you discuss with your friends, you will get nothing. Your friend is also zero. You also zero. 0 plus 0. 1 plus 0. Find that one person, one knowledge person. All are at 0 level. I am one. Please. Consider my point. Just now I told you, sample object can be stored in example, also can be stored in sample. Which parameter method executed? Sample. Because the first priority is given to child, not sample, child. I gave real life example also. My dear Gajinis, మొత్తం వదిలేశారు. Completely left again fresh thinking. నల్లు. Null is a default value that can be stored either in example or in. Then priority to whom? Malla sample anta. Child object sample. Tell the full sentence. Not object, type. Child type sample. Which parameter method executed? Sample. Consider cheyandi, please consider mira, please ra. Give an example, please consider pointer. इधर देखो, example है, और M1 of test है. Again మీరు మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నారు. అది మాట్లాడుకోదని చెప్పాను కదా. క్లాస్లో వేరే వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడద్దు, ఓన్లీ ల్యాబ్లోనే. క్లాస్లో ఓన్లీ నాతోటే మాట్లాడాలి, మీతో మీరు మాట్లాడుకోవాలి. In classroom only talk to me or talk you yourself. Don't talk to your friend. Even side person asking also, tell him. Hari ko pucho. मेरे को नहीं. Tell me. ये दोनों कौन है? क्लास को क्लास दो रिलेशन है, पेरेंट चाइल्ड रिलेशन है, सिबलिंग रिलेशन है. वो दोनों कौन है? पेरेंट चाइल्ड है, सिबलिंग. तुमको कैसे मालूम? तुमरी फेलो yesterday में दे दिया ना, कल दे दिया ना रिलेशन. Sample, example, test. Example, test are subclasses of whom now? Object. Now I am calling M1 by passing sample object. Bolo, I am not scolding you, no. Why you are getting fear to give answer? Come on. Why example? Why no compile time error? Why no ambiguous error? Tell me. Why there is no ambiguous error here? A method is executed based on argument type. Yes or no? Vocabulary, improve vocabulary. That's why I'm saying speaker. When you call method, given argument type of parameter method is considered. What is the given argument? Search for sample parameter, not available. Then search for widening. Widening is available. Is the test widening to sample? No. Is the sample matched to the tester? No. Then any compile time error? No. Everyone should answer. Null is of which type? Adira default A type ra. It's a default value, not default type. It is a default value of whom? String. String aithe mari previous program lo how it is stored in a sample class. Null is a default value of any referenced type. Null is of what is the type? Any referenced type. Any referenced type. Then compiler searching for M1 of any referenced type. Which reference type is available? Example. Is example exact type or any type? Then any type means it is a compromise checking for the next best type. Checking for next best type. What is the type found? Test. Now there are two types are there, example and test for the null matched. Then compiler searching who is the preference type. Who is the preference high priority whom? Example tester cannot decide. Cannot decide because both are super subtype or siblings. Sibling. Then compiler throw error. Understood? Understood? Yes, sir. Tell me. I'll give another example. Parent child, who is the first priority? Child. Tell me. Now, assume that in your house there was a function. Your father bought 1 kg of laddus and you people are last 1 week eating. Finally, 1 laddu is remaining. Now your mother will give this laddu sweet to you or your father? Father. Hey, call to your mother and ask once. Vammo. Not father is always least priority object in your house, Babu. Understand? Okay. First priority to child only. Now this sweet is given to child. Now there is another question. Now you have siblings, 2 children there, not father, brother or sister, brother, whoever. Now this laddu will give to whom? Half of one child. Why one child? One more dangerous mother's future mother. Okay. What? Half of. This laddu will make half of, and very mothers are very clever. If the half of laddu is giving in front of both will start fighting, crying. That's why mother call one child. Which child? Younger child into the kitchen, giving this up. Hey, you sit here and eat. I'm giving more to you. Okay. If you give more, if I give you there in front of your brother, he will cry. Then sit here only and eat. Then mother will go to that child in the hall and telling to that child, I'm giving more to you, eat here. Don't show to your anger. Now tell me, who is the mother here? Compiler. Now null can compiler divide N, U, LL, half of NU to example, LL to the test. Possible? That's why compiler throwing R. Who are the siblings here? Brother. Example test are brother. So null cannot be distributed. Hence compiler throwing R. Now tell me, when will you get ambiguous error in reference data type? When you pass null as an argument to a method, if sibling parameter methods are overloaded, then we will get compile time error. Everyone understand? You have to practice these examples. I will share the material today at 4 o'clock. Okay, now today by 5 p.m., 4 to 5, I will spend the time to share the material. By 5 p.m., you will get overloading complete material up to now what I have discussed. So will you all practice and come? Practice in Systema, in notes. In notes and by heart and remember in your brain, then try in the system. System is not for learning, system is for testing. Clear? Yes, sir. Thank you. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.